Hi, I am Chinmay Jagga and I study in class 5. I study in Bisar Shastrinagar School, Ludhiana, Punjab. I am here to add an exciting activity in Kidzania. So I want to add some ancient games of India. To go back to the roots, I want Kidzania to have an exclusive activity area for ancient games of India, which our parents and grandparents used to play in their childhood. This will be an area where three generations can enjoy wholeheartedly. We'll learn the skill apart from physical exercise. Few of these games are Gilli Danda, Stapu, Pithu Garam and Kanche, which means marbles. So, these are the games which I want to add in Kidzania. I want to play Gilli Danda, so I'm going to play. So, Chinmay Jagga signing off. Bye.